So hey, what's up everyone, this is Jabi back here with another video. So yeah, today I'm telling you in Python how you can print any of your statements with different colors. Okay, yeah. So for that you have to simply install a library called Colorama. Yeah. So for that here I'm simply writing pip3 install Colorama. Yeah. Now simply after installing it, yeah, as you can see it's successfully installed. Yeah. So yeah, after installing it, right now simply write from Colorama import core init. So I'm here taking the init function for initialize Colorama with auto reset enabled. Okay, for that init auto reset equal to 2. So as you have seen, I'm taking here the init function for initialize Colorama with auto reset enabled. Now I'm here printing print 4 dot, I'm taking a yellow plus G. Okay, now I'm taking print again 4 dot red plus G. Now again print 4 dot blue plus G. Now again print 4 dot I'm taking here cyan color. Okay, cyan plus G. Now I'm here running the code. Okay, after simply running this code, as you have seen, all the statements printed successfully with different colors. Okay, yeah. Now also I'm here including another color called green. Okay, after running it, as you can see here, our green color has also printed here.